My name is Buz Kloot, and I'm a research associate professor at the University of South Carolina in the School of Public Health. In terms of what I would like people to take away from this soil health view, I think the first thing is that soil health and the whole idea of soil health is it's not a destination, it's a journey. And so it's a dynamic thing that we're looking at, and we need to understand that when we go down this road, things change all the time as our understanding emerges. So it's a journey, not a destination. And for that reason, you don't want to come here and leave here saying you're disappointed you didn't have a recipe. I think the second thing that I always like to tell people is that soils are living and dynamic. They're ecosystems. They're not media to grow plants. So instead of doing, like my Mennonite friend says, hydroponics with dirt, I like to say it's a living, growing, it's a living, changing thing. So we see that manifested in so many things that we do in terms of, for instance, soil testing that we have. Healthy soils make healthy plants. Healthy plants make healthy people and animals. So there's a very important link there. I think in the public forum, I'm not sure that that link has always been made, at least in the conventional forum. But I think farmers are seeing it, and people who are thinking out of the box are seeing it. My aha moment actually happened on a cornfield in North Dakota on Minokan Farms, when I saw a very, very good corn crop being raised on zero fertilizer. So that was my aha moment. And I started working with farmers in South Carolina who were innovative and who were sick and tired of paying for inputs. And over a period of 2 or 3 years, we had a conservation innovation grant where we noticed that our fertilizer, our soil test phosphorus and potassium levels especially were not dropping. And our pHs were staying the same as we were cover cropping. And so I asked my farmers, that wasn't part of the initial deal, that was secondary. And I asked my farmers, it was 5 guys, and then each one of them gave about a 10-acre field. Asked them to stop applying fertilizer and lime and to follow this through 3 years. And all of them, basically, at the end of it, were on full production fields. Soil test P and K pretty much stayed the same. Our pHs actually stayed the same, went up a little bit. But what was really interesting is our organic matter went up by about 0.1% per year. So that's close to 2,000 pounds of organic matter. I would say, roughly speaking, about 1,400 to 1,500 pounds of carbon that they were gaining. So it was a gradual shift. We cut back on our fertilizer P and K, but we continued to monitor plant tissue tests, and we noticed our plant tissue tests showed no lacking in any of the P, the K, or the minor nutrients. And so that gave us a little bit of courage to go forward, and so we started implementing this on whole farm systems.